at least we need to do it right. Good morning. Fever 94.3 FM per this is Manasa keeping you company, and we are talking about, actually we're asking a question. Are we taking this whole pandemic situation seriously to stay safe and to keep people safe? मुझे नहीं लगता भी यार. We don't even wear our mask properly. तो मैंने सोचा यार आज ना let's talk about mask etiquettes, because this topic has been in the discussion and I've got the right person to do so. That is Dr. Raghuram, who's been the Surgeons Associations of India's president. चलिए इनसे बात करते हैं. Very renowned doctor. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, Manasa.
How are you doing, sir?
Fine, thank you very much. And how are you doing?
All good, sir. All good. Trying to stay safe. That's paramount right
Absolutely.
now. And sir, you have been talking about mask etiquettes a lot, and I want you to tell my listeners about it a bit.
I'm glad you're highlighting the importance of this mask etiquette and wearing the mask right, because we must all understand that relaxation of rules after lifting of the lockdown does not mean throwing caution and precautions to the wind. I think it's very important as citizens that we must be responsible, much as many of the people around are wearing their masks. There is also a number of irresponsible people out in the community who are either not wearing their masks or wearing their masks incorrectly.
Yes, sir.
I think it's very important to understand that it is the mask must be worn right. It should cover from the bridge of the nose, which is the bony part of the nose at the top of the nose, and also the mouth. And it's important not to forget to wash our hands before and after wearing the mask. It's a very common sight to see people bringing the mask down to the level of the neck while they're speaking. And equally also, it's common sight to see people addressing gatherings. You see it on television all the time, even prominent people with their masks pulled down to the level of the neck. And after addressing the gathering, these masks are brought back to cover the nose and mouth with bare hands touching the outer aspect of the mask. So this must stop. The moment the mask is brought down to the level of the neck, the whole purpose of wearing the mask is defeated. Because bringing the mask to the level of the neck exposes the inside of the mask to germs which are lurking at the level of the neck. And then by bringing the mask to the level back to the face, could make the individual prone to getting infected with germs. And moreover, touching the outer aspect of the mask in this process exposes the individual to once again carry the virus on their hands.
And Dr. Raghuram will also tell us, is it necessary to wear a mask while we are running? Is it okay? And who should wear what kind of mask? तो कहीं मत जाइए, एक ब्रेक के बाद मिलते हैं. Keep it locked to All the Madness music और a little bit of Manasa. Fever 94.3 FM per this is Manasa keeping you company, and in conversation with Dr. Raghuram, a renowned surgeon and also has been the president of Surgeons Association India, telling us about the protocols of wearing mask. कैसे पहनना है, कैसे नहीं पहनना है, कब पहनना है, कब नहीं पहनना है, कहाँ पहनना है, इसके बारे में. Also, I wanted to ask you about, should we all wear N95 mask?
So it's also equally important to understand that everyone should not be wearing N95 masks. Who should be wearing medical masks? I think it should be frontline healthcare workers, people who are suspected or confirmed with COVID, or caretakers looking after COVID suspect or confirmed patients, and people in the community over the age of 60, and those with comorbidity. And I think the vast majority of people should wear fabric masks because, when the pandemic is progressing, there will be acute shortage of these masks. So it's very important to understand that. The other point I'd like to highlight is that people who are, conscious about doing an exercise should not wear a mask whilst doing exercise, because it diminishes the air. It acts as a barrier. The mask acts as a barrier to airflow, and it can lower the oxygen levels in the recirculated air and also causes carbon dioxide to be inhaled again, and it can even result in loss of confusion. It result in confusion and loss of consciousness as well. So these were the few points I wanted to mention, and I think we must understand that how responsibly we as a nation behave in the next few months will largely determine the effect of the pandemic in our country. And personal hygiene, masking, social distancing are the three pillars, and the citizenry must play its part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So many things I didn't know myself. Thank you so much for talking, sir. This has been very helpful. Let's just stay safe and try and do that, sir. Thank you, sir.
Always a pleasure.
Well, that was Dr. Raghuram, a very renowned doctor, and also has been the president of Surgeons Association India, telling us how to wear the mask properly and right. Yeah, please follow these guidelines. It will help. It's all in our hands, okay? Break लेके मैं वापस आती हूँ तब तक keep it locked to all the madness music and a little bit of Manasa.